Hey, what is going on, everybody? With this video, we are going to talk about those pesky pokey spots with braces. So what do I mean? It could be a little hook like this. It could be a hook like this. It could be a tad sticking up in the gums like that, or it could be a wire sticking out the back. There's all kinds of different things that poke you with braces. So the best way to relieve that discomfort temporarily is with dental wax. Dental wax can come in many different kinds of containers. It looks something kind of like this. It comes in little strips. I've already got a little piece of it broken off right here. I'm going to show you how you can put it on those pokey spots. So probably one of the most common things that we see is a wire sticking out the back. So something like this. What you first got to do is get that moisture out of the way. So if you're real slobbery, just kind of go like that, swallow that spit, get it out of the way, because that spit is going to keep the wax from sticking. The next thing you've got to do is smush it around like this, get it kind of warm, and then take that wax and kind of smush it up into a spot that's poking you like that. And don't be afraid to push, kind of push it up in there, get it under the undercuts, and there you go. That's going to feel a whole lot better than a pokey wire. And that works on the gold type braces like this. It works on the clear type braces like this. It works on appliances. If you've got something like a Herbst or a Forsus appliance, you got a little spot like that that's kind of digging into your cheek or lip, that'll help you tremendously, at least get you through the weekend until you can call your orthodontist, and then they can get you out of discomfort. So hopefully this video helps. If you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I will respond. Otherwise, you can call your orthodontist. Thanks.